Hey, it's Jay again. This time with Fenway and Lyla, walking the dogs behind the school. I don't know if you can see all up in there, all the rocks and the boulders that go up. Try to zoom in a little. I'm trying to find this massive cliff. I'm not sure where it is. It could be in there. A while ago, I went on a field trip. This is pretty cool. Oh, look at that. Come here, guys. Oh, no, we can walk through it. Come on. Come on. Go ahead. Interesting. Maybe there's something. Oh, this is just the back of a. I don't know. I figured how to get there. This definitely isn't the place, though. Unless they blew it all up or something. I don't know. I think it's on the other side of this. Those boulders over there. Maybe there's a whole park dedicated to wildlife over there now. So it's a pretty cool place. I can go around from the main entrance on a different day. Come on, guys. We gotta go back through this thing. This big, awesome rock that split in half. Like that. Boom. No, where you guys going? Come on. We gotta go back. I'm not going that way. Oh, doesn't want to go this way. Go ahead, guys. Oh no. Technical difficulties. Go ahead. Come on, we're gonna come back this way. Aww. Backing up. Turning around. And now, back to the gate. Thank you, guys.